We kick off our birthday list this morning with 11-year-old Mally Garwood from Jasper. Mally, happy birthday.
Well, speaking of Jasper, it is the place for birthdays because that's where we find Brooke Rush. Brooke, a happy 15th to you.
And Sydney Lambert, turning 18 years old this year. Hope it's a great one. Sydney in Neodesha.
Kaylee Ludlam, a happy 22nd birthday. Kaylee celebrates in Chanute.
That's a great picture there. And head of the Cleveland Cattle Company, Jeff Cleveland, turning 35 years old. Little throwback pic there.
Young Jeff Cleveland.
Just a few years ago. Jeff is in Arma. Happy birthday.
Dennis Blenko, a happy 78th birthday to Dennis. He is in Liberal.
Our friend Dennis. It's been a while since we've seen you. And Betty Tyree. Beautiful picture there. Betty, 94 years old in Columbus. It says here she's a proud great-grandmother to 4 2020 high school graduates.
If you're a member, and I don't care if you're a member of the Tyree clan or not, stick with me. Stick with me. I'm going to tell Betty's story here in just a little bit. I'll tell you, you'll find out why I'm waiting on it. Happy birthday, Betty. I'm going to come back to you, Miss Betty. I'm going to come back to you. Nancy Jensen, a happy birthday to Miss Nancy. She is in Pittsburgh.
And our list goes on with Bryce Simon turning 17 years old today in Girard. Mildred Ludlam celebrating birthday number 81 in Erie. And in Parsons, your whole family wishes you a happy birthday. Gidget Dawson.
Now those last two, Dakota Tyree, does that name sound familiar? Betty Tyree. Well, you know what? Chris Hutto is also related to Betty Tyree. Did you know this?
You know those 2020 high school graduates?
No. Get this. Those are her two great-grandsons.
Yeah.
Okay? They share the same birthday with Betty. As she turns 94, her great-grandsons celebrate number 19. And not only do we have those, but we got Katie Tyree and we got Quill Tyree that are also graduating high school this year. Miss Betty celebrates a birthday, shares a birthday with two of her great-grandsons, and is a great-grandmother to 4 high school graduates, all graduated last year in 2020. Miss Betty, a very happy birthday to you, and congratulations on a wonderful, wonderful family. That is tremendous. I told you I was going to come back to Betty right there, didn't I? I'm going to call today Betty Tyree Day. Hey, Dakota and Chris, you make sure you call your great-grandmother, okay? Don't you forget that. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
All right, we got wave number 1 pushing off to the east as far